Hello you guys, welcome to Dedicated Dentist 32 Reasons Why. So today we'll discuss the measurement of clinical attachment loss or clinical attachment level. So before we'll have to understand the difference between the periodontal pocket depth and clinical attachment level. So normally the base of the pocket is at the CEJ. This is the tooth. So the CEJ or the gingival level is almost at the CEJ level. This base of the pocket is at the CEJ level normally, and if there is a pocket, so the distance from the base of the pocket and gingival margin is measured by a probe, and that is the periodontal pocket depth. And the distance from the CEJ, that is fixed. So clinical attachment level is from a fixed point, that is from CEJ till the base of the pocket, that is clinical attachment level from a fixed point till the base of pocket, and periodontal pocket is measured from the gingival margin till the base of the pocket. So you see how this is normally the base of the pocket is at the CEJ level. So that is when the pocket depth is equal to the clinical attachment level. Now you can get a question like you'll be given the periodontal pocket depth, which is 5 mm, or there is gingival recession of 1 mm. Also it can be put like this, that gingiva is apical to the CEJ. Okay, so you see here, we know CEJ is normally at the base of the pocket is at the CEJ, but now here the gingiva has receded. 1 mm recession, gingival recession is here, and the periodontal pocket is, that is base of the pocket, the distance from the base of the pocket till the gingival margin, that is periodontal pocket, is 5 mm. So now we have to measure the clinical attachment level, that is we measure from CEJ fixed point till the base of the pocket. So we have to measure it from here till here, from the CEJ till the base of the pocket. So for that we'll have to add the gingival recession to this pocket, that is CAL is equals to periodontal pocket plus the gingival recession, that is 5 plus 1 is 6 mm. If there is overgrowth of the gingival tissue, you'll be given the periodontal pocket, that is same 5 mm. It can be put like this, the gingiva is coronal, or there is overgrowth of gingiva, that is 2 mm. So there is 2 mm extra gingiva that is present, right? So the pocket depth is same 5 mm. There is overgrowth. Okay, we measure from CEJ, normally it is 2 mm more here, and we have to calculate the clinical attachment level, that is from CEJ till the base of the pocket, right? So now you can see here, we'll subtract this 2 mm from 5 mm to get the clinical attachment level. Hence, when there is overgrowth of gingival tissue, or you can say when gingiva is coronal, so when subtracted, periodontal pocket depth minus this 2 mm overgrown tissue is equals to 3 mm. So here the clinical attachment level is 3 mm. So that was how you calculate the clinical attachment loss. I hope that helps. Thank you.